I want to show you my new phone charger. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just bought this by VRURC. 10,000 milliamp power bank here. So this thing is no joke. It says right here, ODB7 if you're looking for the model. I'll put a link to everything in the description below. But what I was really excited about with this charger is that this is going to replace my old MyHub charger in my bag because, one, it's getting a little old. You know, the batteries, I've been using it for a few years and the battery's starting to lose its capacity. And I was looking for something sleek, slim, with a high capacity that could charge everything I want and that could charge itself off a regular outlet, and I think I found it. So I'm not even going to go to the instruction booklet, which looks like it is down here, because I think I know how this works, and I'm pretty excited about it. First of all, it comes in white or black. I got it in the black just to be stealthy, murdered out, cool looking, and it's got this plastic finish here. It's just slightly textured. You can see my fingerprints on there, and what I love about it is it's really slim, so it can go into my electronics bag, it can go into a pocket, it can go into your backpack or carry-on, whatever. I mean, it's less than an inch thick here, got nice rounded soft corners. It's very smartphone-ish in size, right? So the first thing I want to show you is on the back right here, and this is the most important part in my opinion, are these flip down plugs. You know, I hate it when you need another adapter and cord to charge up your power bank. How nice is it to have these flip down prongs so I can just plug this into the wall at an airport, in a hotel room, at a conference center, and get a charge, right? I think these are way underrated, and so many power banks don't have them. So I love the fact that they go in there and they are flush when they are closed, which is really, really nice. Now, on the two sides here, we have two cables that have these little tabs sticking out so I can pull them out just like this. And this one is pretty awesome because it has USB-C, the sausage one right there, and micro USB right there. So you have two cables on this. And what I found out here is it's kind of easiest to pull it straight out, just like that. Seems to come out really easily like that. But if you're kind of prying on it and kind of torquing it out at an angle, it doesn't seem to work. So just straight out. That's my recommendation right there. So USB-C, micro USB on that side. And then on this side, if I pull this one out, boom, lightning. So we have everything that you need for most iOS devices, and we have everything that you need for most other iOS devices, most universal devices, and then most Android devices right there. So this power bank is pretty much compatible with everything. I also love the fact that you get about a 5 or 6 inch cable on there, so you don't have to necessarily have things just button up against each other. And in fact, if you plug this into your iPhone, and then you can put it right on top of here so you can stack it in case you want to minimize the space that you're taking up on a tray table or a conference table or your desk, those types of things. Now, the other thing I want to show you here, down on the bottom, we have a couple of plugs. So we have a USB plug right there, so if you have your own cable with another lightning cable on there, you can plug it in there, charge things out of there. We also have a USB-C plug right there, so you can run a USB-C cable. And then we have a little button right there. Now I want to hit that button and show you that we have a little LED screen right on the front here, and it says 49%. So it's about half charged right out of the box, but I can charge this up. But now when I press this button here, I can see the charge status at any time, and not just kind of a ballpark charge status, but the accurate exact charge status. So in this case, I know I need to plug this sucker in and charge it up. The other quick thing that I want to show you here that I've discovered is that it will pass through. So I've got it plugged in here. It's obviously charging 49 to 57%, but then also this completely dead old iPhone is charging up here. So this one wouldn't even power on, and now it has a little bit of juice, maybe 10%, but that is also acquiring and accumulating power as well. So pass-through capability there. It's awesome. Once you get to your hotel, you can start charging everything, even if it's dead. So I'm really excited to have this new VRURC 10,000 milliamp hour portable power bank with all the cables, the prongs, everything that I need right with me all the time. It's super convenient to travel with, and it's going to go in my travel backpack. So if you want to pick one of these up to make your life on the road a little easier, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
How nice is it to have these flip down